How have you benefited from these food gardens? Ninjira za bwanji za mene magarden ayama mtandizani mwana?
Mama titandiza vambiri. Munga vana kudya. Nandiwo tikasola timagoro kuchora kati.
Okay. The gardens has helped us in a lot of ways. At least from the time that we started the gardens, we've never ever gone to bed without a meal. If we don't have any food, all we have to do is just come to our garden and get some vegetables, and we are able to have a good nutritious meal. Ingai mwemana, what about you? How do you help in the garden? Matanzabu bwanju ambuya mgarden. Okay. Okay, so we help grandma with weeding and watering the vegetables. Okay. The other way is when we don't have bread in the house or any other food, grandma will come and get some vegetables and go and sell at the market, and she's able to buy us some bread and other food. Okay, mommy. Okay. Grandma is also able to buy us some books when she gets the vegetables to go and sell. The little money that we get, she's able to buy us some school requirements.